In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable auto trading in MT5. After you drag and drop your expert advisor onto your chart, a settings window will appear. In that window, you'll see a checkbox that allows auto trading. To enable auto trading for the expert advisor, check that box. In many cases, you'll also see a second checkbox. That second option allows the modification of trades. If your expert advisor displays both of these options, simply check both boxes before continuing. Once both boxes are selected, you can move to the Input section of the Expert Advisor if you need to review the available inputs. After you're finished, click OK to apply the settings. Now that the Expert Advisor has been added to the chart, you also need to make sure that auto trading is enabled on the MetaTrader 5 platform itself. Look at the Auto Trading button on the toolbar. Turn it on so it is active. Once it is enabled, your expert advisor will be allowed to trade automatically according to its settings. In most cases, that's all you need to do. However, there are situations where the expert advisor is installed correctly, the auto trading button is turned on, but the expert advisor still doesn't trade automatically. You may also notice that the icon on the chart appears grayed out. If that happens, there's one more setting you need to check. Double-click the expert advisor icon on the chart. This will reopen its settings window. Go to the Common tab. Inside the Common settings, you'll again see the option to allow auto trading. Check that box. If there is also a second checkbox that allows the modification of trades, check that one as well. After selecting the required options, click OK to save the changes. Once these settings have been applied, the expert advisor will have permission to use auto trading on your MetaTrader 5 platform. If your expert advisor wasn't working before, because those permissions were disabled, enabling these options should allow it to operate as intended. If you ever add another expert advisor to a chart, repeat the same process. Check the required boxes when the settings window appears. Make sure the auto trading button on the toolbar is turned on, and if necessary, reopen the expert advisor settings by double-clicking its icon and confirming the options in the Comment tab. That's all there is to enabling auto trading in MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.